What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. I'm gonna go over the latest Uber bonuses, and how you can utilize these to obviously maximize your profits. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is a great app for simply making more money as a driver. It gets you access to guaranteed pay. On top of that, the app has a ton of other incredible features like expense tracking. Overall, it is my favorite app I have used as a rideshare driver. On top of that, our viewers are gonna get $10 just for signing up using the link in the description below. So check it out, guys. Let's jump in. Alrighty, so I actually have some good bonuses. Obviously, Uber now has the Boost Plus thing, which is like opting in. But what I've always said is if you can utilize all of these strategically, it's the only way you can still somehow do decent, especially with weekday driving. So for instance, I have a $145 extra by completing 50 trips. That's not bad considering that I can break that down to 10 rides a day, 5 days a week. You know, 10 rides a day is a decent shift though. That's the thing you have to keep in mind. So if you're gonna do 7 days, obviously you're looking at like 7 to 8 rides a day, give or take. But on top of that, this one's pretty solid. $5.50 extra on every trip from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m., obviously on the weekend. That's a really, really good incentive. And that's another reason I always say that like weekends are so killer, because they still do stuff like this because not many drivers will go out that late. But if you can like squeeze in 3 rides, think about what you're making from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. Even if you only got 2 rides in. For one, there's a good chance you're getting surge rides there. But if you look at that as like, you're gonna make $11 extra, and let's say you just even made $4 on those 2 rides, like you easily made 20 an hour, and that's including nothing else, potential tips, anything else. On top of that, $4 extra from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. So that following hour, you know, you're looking at an extra like $8 to $12 if you can squeeze in 3 rides. $2 on every trip from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And that is that following morning. So nothing crazy, but still decent enough. $3 extra on every trip from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. And then $2.50 extra 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. $2.50 extra 6 to 7, 2 extra 7 to 8. This is all on the same day. 5 extra 8 to 9. And then again, $5.50 extra from 11 p.m. till midnight. Those are incredible bonuses. I don't know if the ones you guys have are that good, but even those little $2 and $3 add up really well. So whenever I see these, like what I'm always doing is I'm basing my entire schedule around these, because that's just simply the only way you're gonna maximize your hours. Because if you can do all these and get $1 tip on each extra ride, like these are hours where you can actually hit 25 to 30 relatively easily. So if you do all that, and then on top of it, you get those quest rides in for an extra 145, like that should be an extra like $200 to $250 in just bonuses. And so if you made like a base of even 5, you're gonna have to go close to full time to hit 50 rides. But if you were able to pull it off in 30 to 35 rides and then get that extra like 250 to 300 off bonuses, like you're making decent money, halfway decent money. But anyways, so that's the Uber bonuses that I've got this week. Let me know in the comments, do you guys have anything this good? This is for Phoenix, so obviously a pretty big market. I know not everybody is in really good markets like that, but curious to see what you guys have as well. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely check out Solo, get that guaranteed earnings, and stay tuned for more updates.